Hello, welcome to the Tools Guys. Today I'm going to show you all 6 of the best circular saws available in the market right now. These are some great tools that will help you get through your woodworking or DIY projects and make your task easier than ever before. Also, it is so crucial to have the right tools for the right job. So sit back, relax, and let me show you the 6 best circular saws so that when it's time for your next project, they're already sitting here waiting on your orders. And all the products links are given in the description box below.
With the CRAFTSMAN 7 1/4 inch 15 amp circular saw by your side, you'll tackle your job with confidence. This 15 amp motor coupled with a magnesium shoe gives you the power and durability needed. A 7 1/4 inch carbide tooth blade allows for smooth and quick cutting. Its 55-degree bevel capacity detents at 2 different angles, and tool-free design lets you quickly adjust bevel angle to make precise cuts. Convenience and comfort are also key, thanks to the included rafter hook and contoured handle. For a job well done, you need tools you can trust. Turn to the CRAFTSMAN 7 1/4 inch 15 amp shoe circular saw for the reliable performance you need. CRAFTSMAN. We build pride.
This is the BOSCH CS5 7 1/4 inch circular saw. This circ saw will let you power through wood, OSB, or composite. If you're a framer, roofer, sheather, or deck builder, this tool is perfect to help you get the job done. The left blade design allows for the clearest line of sight for right-handed users. This tool was built with durability in mind. With BOSCH quality, this tool will withstand tough job site environments. Weighing in at just 10 pounds with a 15 amp motor, the CS5 can power through even the most dense material. An improved spindle lock allows for quick and easy blade changes. A 56-degree bevel makes this tool extremely versatile. And with an anti-snag lower guard, you can make cuts without having to advance it. So this is it, the BOSCH CS5 7 1/4 inch circular saw. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of BOSCH Circ saws.